Hello guys, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first class of the Django tutorial. If you are newcomer to my YouTube channel, please subscribe the channel and watch the videos. In this tutorial we will commonly talk all about the Django display, admin, syntax, queue reset, static file, PostgreSQL and display, which have the subsequent parts like in Django. Introduction, getting started, virtual environment, install Django, create project, create app, view, URL, template, model, insert data, update data and delete data and update model. In this display part, prepare, add details, add master, add main, add 404, add test. In the admin part, admin, create user, model, list display, update, add and delete. In the syntax part, variables, text, fields, for loop, comment, include, etc. In the queue reset, get data, filter, order by. In the static file, add static, white noise, collect, global static, add to project. In the PostgreSQL part, introduction of PostgreSQL, AWS account, RDS, connect, add members. In the deploy part of the project, Elastic, Beanstalk, requirements, Django.configuration, create.zip, deploy and update. First of all, come to introduction of Django.